Finding pictures for a book as illustrations can take a very long time, so this is also some of the things I like to take a shortcut for and make automatic. And what I'm doing right now is I have not written the book yet. I've only written this first chapter, the introduction, but I have the whole outline. So I went to Notebook LM and I uploaded the outline and created a new project with it. And then I asked it to make a slide deck, which it did. So here we have the slide deck, which is made from the outline alone, and those images are really brilliant. I saved them as a PowerPoint presentation because that way I could extract all the images. They're already PNG files inside the slides, so you can just save them as that with PowerPoint. And then I'm going to add them to my Word document, this little book. And I already added one here, which fit chapter 1. And there will be more, so I have a blank page right now, but I haven't written it. It's only the outline I have here. So for chapter 2, it's about the simple Pinterest system, problem, pin, click, content, trust. So let's find an image that fits this one. So I'm clicking insert pictures, this device, and I'm picking the third one, which should logically follow this order and be the one for chapter 2, because I have this slide for the presentation itself, just a cover slide, and then I have slide 2 for chapter 1 and slide 3 for chapter 2. So let's insert it, and then we have it here. So let's see, it takes what it had from this presentation, this overview, and made this pretty little image, which will help readers of it understand it, because they can see it both graphically and as text, which will be later. You can also use this representation if you want to make a video over it, which would be a great idea, because that way you can both show it and speak at the same time, and you can give another option to what you are trying to share. Sometimes you can even share the slides itself. You can save them as a PDF file, which is an ebook format, so you can share that directly with people, maybe as an appetizer for the book you're going to sell, because they will need more explanation normally than just the slides itself. So you deliver the explanations in the upsell, for example, or if you give this away for free, then you can sell the book with all the explanations, or a video that you make where you speak over the PowerPoint presentations. So this is a shortcut I've learned about recently, and I use it very much now because I really like those images. They are very illustrative. I hope that was a word. Let's see if we can insert the next one here for chapter 3. There we have a traffic destination matrix. And look, even when this will become text later on, this is such a handy overview. The reader can immediately see what's going on. They start with the image and they get an idea about what they're going to learn, which makes it better for them to learn, because when they already have a vague idea of what's going on or what is going to go on in the chapter, they will remember things better and understand better than if they have no idea what they're going into as they start reading the chapter. So this is not just a shortcut, it's also an advantage for your future customers and readers. So I'm going to put in one more slide, and then I'm going to cut this and upload it to YouTube so you can see it. So I hope this helps. And there's actually nothing to do. Let me go back to Notebook. You simply go to Notebook LM, and create a new notebook. Then you upload the files. I'm going to click here, that's another business here. So I don't have it here. So I'm just going to upload the file. And then after it has been uploaded, it will give you a short summary, like the one you saw here, in one huge paragraph, but that's not important. This is just for your sake. And then over here to the right, you can order different things. I like the slide deck, for example, because it gives me those images I can use. And you can use them also for social media and everything you would normally use images for. And another one I have used is what is it? The reports. So it can also create a short report for you. So, but I've only used that a couple of times. The one I normally use is a slide deck. And it does take time for it to create it, but it's worth the time to wait for it. So do something else while it's working and then come back when it's finished and download. You can download as PDF, the ebook format, or as PowerPoint, which is great. So I hope this will be helpful for you, and Britt Malka over and out for this time.